say something like that. Is it the one with 5y plus something?
Yeah.
Alright, so we have two lines. It says identify the solution sets below. So we're trying to identify
Así.
solution set. Right? We have two lines. What's the first one?
Plus 10x.
Con la mente.
Greater than,
That's not greater.
less than 5.
And then what's the second one?
Y greater than,
It's not just greater than. There's something
greater than
else.
or equal to
Uh-huh.
3x minus 4.
Minus 4. Right? They want us to grab this. To grab this one is already good. I can grab this. It's already in slope intercept. This one is in standard form. We cannot grab this. It's going to be complicated to grab this. We have to switch this to look like this. That's the first step. So if I have 5y plus 10x less than 5, I want to switch this to look like this. Y equal mx plus b. Right? You don't have to write this. The first thing I'm going to do, I want my y on this side, I want my x on that side. No, not minus 5.
You minus 5 on both sides?
If I minus 5 on both sides, then I don't have nothing. Then I can't work with anything. I want it to look like this. How about this?
¿Quién te está diciendo que es igual a menos
10.
negativo por negativo te da posible?
And I'll show you why. It will make sense in a second. How about that? If I do this, I get 5y, right? This cancels out. I have the same sign. I can keep it here, that's fine. I have minus 10x plus 5. See, now it's already starting to look like this. Right? I divide by 5, divide by 5, divide by 5. Right? 5 cancel 5. This is y less than negative.
5.
Bueno, mira eso.
Plus what?
Ya acabé tu tamaño.
Plus 1. Exactly.
No me falta hacer dos tablas.
So now I have my rise over run.
Uno es el ticket y este maldito.
I have my y-intercept. So now I can grab this.
Pero
Right?
me fal-
So this is for number 1.
Me faltaban tres tareas, dos
Yes, maybe right. Maybe right here.
Entonces,
Slide here.
no, que me
Maybe
estaba
right
pensando
this.
que salí con nota baja y me decían lo que tengo que hacer para
So look just like
subir la
that.
nota en su Eso me lo estoy haciendo de nuevo para subir la nota. Ey, tampoco puedo hablar mucho, que estamos todos quemados. El único que no está quemado es él, no sé cómo diablos no está quemado.
5y plus 10x.
Ay, ey. ¿Cómo es eso? ¿Cómo?
Right. So you just start it from here.
¿Qué le gusta la que?
pesado que sabía eso, wow.
Tú no has visto a Yubelo, es el más mal pensado de cada clase, man. El viejo es el diablo.
Okay.
Uno
Right.
puede decir que se le
You got
cayó
it?
un lápiz a uno,
Nice.
es una medicina.
Oliver, you got it?
¿Cómo?
I can wipe it off.
Se te cayó el
Alright, so remember what this one is, because we have two lines, right? So we have, now we're gonna
Pero
graph
cuando es al revés, de una vez dice que no es mal pensado, cuando le pasa a él.
it. DeCarlo, keep it down a little bit. Sorry. Alright, so Oliver, tell me, what's my second line? What was it?
Ahí viene y se pone de mujer
Wait.
y se le ve.
Alright, so it was what?
Y
Y
less than negative 2x.
negative 2x plus 1. And then the second one is already there. Y greater or equal 3x minus 4, right? We're gonna grab this, and I'm gonna make a graph. So I have this.
I can grab it.
You can graph
Y
it?
yo vi
Okay.
una vez le dije, loco, y todas las como
I have
mira, me tocaba con loco, parece que se me viene encima.
2, 3,
Loco.
5, 6, 7, 8. And I have -1,
Y yo no sé
-2,
qué
-3,
mierda.
-4, -5. Plus I have -1, -2, -6. I have 1, 2, 3,
Yo le dije una vez, loco, pero tú sabes cómo se arregla ese problema.
6. Decall it. 7. Alright?
¿Sabes que yo le dije? ¿Cómo se arregla?
So you have your graph, right?
Um,
So you don't have to do that because you're using this, right? I don't have this. That's why I'm drawing mine on the thing. Right? So I have my line like this. Actually, let me use a different color. I have my line like this. So I have this. I have this.
Le voy a ayudar y mano, yo lleva integración, llevo con ella casi 3 meses. Por eso le estoy diciendo, yo le dije, loco, si yo aquí voy contigo, eso se resuelve así. Si tú la conoces tan bien. Yo una vez vine con él, la cosa dije que no. ¿Te acuerdas? Y prefiero romper con ella con la vaina, con la francesa.
It goes like this.
Con la francesa, una francesa.
What's up?
Y prefiero romper con ella, que dale.
Alright, so mine is not going to be perfect because I don't have a graph paper like you do. So I have this.
Yo le dije, loco.
Alright, so the first thing you want to do is change this to over 1. Change this to over 1. See how you have, so you have 2 lines. This is the first, yeah, this one is good. Rewrite this, I'll do over 1. Right, that's good. Over 1 means rise over 1, meaning -2 over 1, right? Oh yeah, I have to also do this as well. Go this way, go this way, this goes this way, this goes up, up, right? So let's grab this one first. I'm looking for +1 on my graph. This is my y-intercept. So +1 is right here, right? And then my slope, this is my slope, -2 over 1. So I'm going 2 spaces up 1, 2 up 1, 2 up 1. And it's negative, so I know it has to go down. So I'm going 1, 2, 1. Right? Right? I do the same thing again. 1, 2, 1. Right? I do it again. 1, 2, 1. You get it? Good job. Alright? And I do the same thing down here. I go 2 spaces. 1, 2, 1. I do it again. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2.
Y yo lo que hice, no tú sabes cómo sucede eso.
Oliver, tell me, I'm kind of like blanking out right now.
Le dije así mismo.
Is this-
Y de una vez dije, ok.
Dotted or
Al día
shaded?
siguiente,
Dotted or solid?
es así mismo.
I think it's good.
El cable.
Do you have your notes? Is there where you can check?
Una.
Because,
Era de decora. No.
alright, so if it doesn't have the equal to, you have a dotted line. So you're gonna have this.
En una ropa ahí, por- Ok, ok, ya. Ya sé cuál es. Te estaba diciendo, porque si era de una rosa, era que era más frío.
Right.
Está su especial,
You're gonna have a dot, right?
Que era más de eso, que se cobra.
And then,
Por eso yo siempre busco. Wow.
right? That's the first one. And then you do this.
No, pero espérate.
It's below, because it's
No,
going,
son que
you
yo
do
no
this.
tengo una de estas. Es que si yo lo hago, yo creo que al día siguiente yo parezco muerto. Ahora,
Right? You do this.
que no como no, porque
Just like that.
tienen problemas.
Right. Oliver, you got it?
Una de las clases que simplemente.
They call it. Right? Let's do the next graph. Let's do the next line, right? So I'm looking for negative 4.
No sé, que ya sé que como si fuera algo que se pone algo como.
Good job, Gregory. Great job. Great job.
Como.
Alright? So let's move on to this one. Right? I'm looking for negative 4 on this line. So negative 4 is right here. Right? My slope is rise over run, which is 3 over what? Over 1. So meaning I'm going 3 spaces up and 1 space. So I go 3 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1. Go right there, right? And then I do the same thing down here. 1, 2, 3, 1. And because this one has an equal to, my line is going to be solid. So I'm connecting all of them. It doesn't have to be perfect, but just try to connect all of them.
No importa, no vamos a decir nada más. Se puso serio.
And then this one is above. Okay, it's above. This one would look like this.
Lo único que tiene una cruz en la escuela es no, pues. Este dijo que no le gusta uno.
Right? That's it.
Ah, no, ¿verdad? Ah, no, déjalo.
See all those dots you got here? Just draw them up, draw them up, draw them up, draw them up. Alright? That's it. That's it.